So today's video topic is that happened recently with the UK 07 rider. He's the moto vlogger, some kind of I don't know about him because I haven't seen him much. I haven't seen his videos too much. So today's topic is about his mental health. What really happened with him? I'm not going to tell all the story, and even I don't know what is going on, what his story, what the hell just happened with him. I don't know, but I am going to tell you in this video that as a man there is no one to listen. I mean to say, if you want to share your problems, if you want to something, if you want to share anything, if you want to share something about your problems, there is no one to listen. There is no one to listen. This is the harsh truth. As a man, there is no one to listen. If you want to share something, every man wants to share something, but the problem with that is there is no one to listen to him. Okay, no one is interested to listen to him. If he wants to share his things, if he wants to share his experiences, if he wants to share something, there is no one to listen. And if he is trying to tell each and everybody about his problem, or he is trying to tell to some his to some to to his some you know close friends, close people, they will just, after some time, they will start to ignore him. भाई इसका तो हर दिन का रोना है, just ignore him. He's crying each and every time. He just crying. He just try to share his all things. Just ignore him. So people will listen to you for 1 or 2 times, or maybe 4 to 5 times, but after that they will try to ignore you. They will not pick up your calls. They will not answer your calls. They will not they will just leave your messages on scene, etc, etc. These things will happen with you if you are a man, and especially if you are a man who is not that much successful. This will especially happen with all kinds of men who are not really successful. So the my answer is, there is no one for you to listen. If you want to share your problems, there is no one. People are saying, share your problems, share your feelings with someone you like, but my answer is, there is no one to listen to my problems. Okay, everyone, no one, obviously, yaar, no one is interested, yaar. No one is interested to just listen to my problems. No one is interested in this kind of things. Okay, this is the harsh truth. No one is interested in this kind of things. No one wants to listen anybody's problems, anybody's feelings, anybody's thoughts. They just want to express their thoughts. They just want to express their thoughts. They just want to tell their things. They just want to share their things. Nobody wants to listen. Nobody wants to listen someone's problem. No, just everybody wants to just speak. No one wants to just listen. Okay, people have very less skill in listening. They have a very they are just good in speaking, but they don't have that listening skills. That everybody needs to have that kind of that skills. Everybody needs to have that skills. I know my English is terrible because I'm not fluent in English. Okay, but you have to listen to it. If you are watching this video, you have to listen to it. Okay, I don't care about, तू मेरा मजाक उड़ा भाई, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. This is the problem. If you want to share something, see, just I get into my past. मैं अपने past में चला गया भाई. अपने past की सारी चीज़ों पे मैं चला गया भाई. मेरे past में मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ है. One time where I'm going to share you some 1 month story of mine. In all, when my 10th got recently completed, and I was really excited, or I was really passionate for. I want to just become theoretical physicist. I was really passionate about it. I was planning for it to take science stream, and I was really interested in taking science stream, and and just go into this, what we say, theoretical physicist. I was really interested. After 10th, I want to do theoretical physicist. But when I tell all these things to my parents, when I tell this all things to my parents that I want to I want to become a theoretical physicist. Basically it's a stream of physics. It's study of stars, planets, and all kind of stuffs, galaxies, etc, etc. But they told me that, bro, son, this is really hard. If you are capable, my father always supports me. Okay, my parents are always supportive, but my mother is like, you're not good enough in study, and why you're taking the all kind of science stream, why you're taking the science stream? You just passed 10th very difficultly, and you are taking science in 11th or 12th standard. You are taking science stream, that's going to be very difficult, you will fail in 12th standard. And I was really angry on my mother. But now, after now I'm looking back, and I just when I just look back, and my mother was completely right, because I'm not interested in this kind of things. I'm interested in physics, but I'm not interested in Indian education system, because they are just doing the same thing, just same syllabus from last 20 to 25 years. My mom was correct. And when I share this to my parents, and they just tell me to उन्होंने ये बोला, दे टोल्ड मी टू शेयर ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स टू माय फैमिली. मतलब क्या बोलूँ यार मैं तुमको, कि मतलब माय फादर, मेरे मम्मी ने, मेरे पापा ने मेरे को ये बोला कि भाई, मैं माय 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 मदर एंड माय फादर जस्ट टोल्ड मी कि फैमिली में डिस्कशन करते इस चीज़ का. ठीक है, फैमिली में डिस्कशन करते, फैमिली में पूछते, जस्ट लेट 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 जस्ट आस्क फैमिली मेम्बर्स what they know about this field, and the advices they should give to me. एंड वी मैं गया, फैमिली में गया, मैं अपने अंकल के घर. उस टाइम पे ना नवरात्रि थी. एट दैट टाइम देयर वाज नवरात्रि, उस टाइम पे नवरात्रि थी. एंड मैं गया वहाँ पे. दादा दादी भी आए आए थे गाँव से. एंड अंकल भी थे, वो मेरा बड़ा भाई भी था, मेरी मौसी जो भी, आंटी वांटी जो भी सब थे, बहुत सारे लोग थे, मेरी मम्मी भी थी. एंड वहाँ पे मैं गया, एंड मैंने बोला, आई टोल्ड देम दैट आई वांट टू बिकम अ थियोरेटिकल फिजिसिस्ट. फर्स्ट दे लेफ्ट एट मी. नॉट रियली दैट, हाँ हाँ ऐसे तो हंसा नहीं भाई, हाँ हाँ ऐसे तो नहीं हंसा, बट उनके चेहरे पे मुझे हंसी दिख रही थी. दे आर रियली लाफिंग इनसाइड देयर. ओके, वो हमने हंसी निकाल नहीं पा रहे, वो लोग हंस रहे हैं, उनके अंदर ना कहीं वो चीज़ है. अबे ये क्या है यार, ये थियोरेटिकल फिजिसिस्ट लेगा भाई, ये थियोरेटिकल फिजिसिस्ट इतनी बड़ी स्ट्रीम लेगा, ऐसा कुछ मेरे को लग रहा था. एंड दे जस्ट start discussing about this field, you should take or should not take. They are just discussing, and they are just laughing on me, man. Just they are laughing on me, bro. Don't do this, don't do that, ये वो ऐसा वैसा. दे आर जस्ट मेरे पे ना मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है. मेरी चीज़ जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ, जिस चीज़ को लेकर मुझे पसंद है, उस चीज़ को लेकर बहुत बोला जा रहा है कि भाई मत कर, डोंट डू इट, यू विल नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, दिस इज़ रियली कॉस्टली, यू हैव टू स्पेंड टू मच मनी ऑन इट, वगैरह वगैरह, फलाना ढिमकाना. बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया, बहुत हंसी मजाक करी गई मेरी मेरी चीज़ के ऊपर, मेरी फील्ड के ऊपर, मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर बहुत मेरा मजाक बना गया. और पहली बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि वो मेरे अपने लोग थे. मेरे अंकल वंकल इन सब से बहुत ज़्यादा वो था कि मतलब फैमिली मेम्बर्स ही बोल सकते, पापा के भाई, सगे भाई पापा के बोल सकते हो तुम. दे आर जस्ट लाफिंग ऑन मी भाई, ये क्या करेगा, ये वो मत कर, डोंट डू इट, दिस इज रियली गोइंग टू बी हार्ड, दिस इज रियली टफ फील्ड, प्लीज डोंट टेक दिस फील्ड, एंड what etc, just trying to tell this all kind of things to me. The and At that day I understood, if you want to do something na, please don't tell to the world that what you want to do. At that time I was really crying inside. I was not showing to them that I am crying, but from inside I'm really crying भाई. मैं बहुत रो रहा हूँ अंदर से, बहुत मुझे बुरा लगा उस दिन. I, 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 I got hurt deeply. I got hurt deeply. And I was literally, I came home and I cried a lot. I cried a lot. And at that day, I decided I will never share my things. I will never share my goals, and especially with my अपने लोग. ठीक है, with my अपने लोग, I will never share my thoughts. I will never share my goals with my so-called अपने लोग. I will never share this kind of things with my लोग. At that day, I just decided I will not share अपने लोग के साथ. मैं बिल्कुल भी share नहीं करूँगा. This is how it all begins. There is मतलब अगर तुम, if you want to share your things now, there are so many people, they will just laugh at you, they will make jokes, about your things, about you, about your thoughts. There are so many people. If you're a man, please don't share your things with someone, with anyone. Just don't try to share each and every things. मत शेयर करो भाई। तुम्हारी, मैं जानता हूँ, मुझे पता है कि तुम्हें शेयर करना चाहिए तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम्स, तुम्हें थोड़ा सा हल्का फील हो, तुम्हारे दिल की बातें थोड़ी सी बाहर निकले, बट यहाँ पे कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है। अपने लोगों को तुम बोलोगे मजाक बनेगा, अगर किसी भी आयरे गहरे को बोलोगे मेरे भाई मजाक बनेगा, ठीक है, मजाक बनते आया है, मजाक बनेगा, बुरा लगेगा, हर्ट फील होगा। मत बोलो किसी को, चुपचाप अब उसके ऊपर काम करो। तुमको क्या लग रहा है कंटेंट क्रिएशन ये सब मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं किसी को बताया, किसी को मैंने बताया नहीं, चुपचाप मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, चुपचाप काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरा सक्सेस बोलेगा, बोलना हो तो मेरा सक्सेस बोलेगा। चुपचाप अपने ऊपर काम करो, किसी को बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ऐसी ही तुम्हारे साथ जो चीज़ होगी, ठीक है, कि डोंट ट्राई टू टेल ईच एंड एवरीबडी दैट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम परस्यूइंग दिस, आई एम परस्यूइंग दैट। डोंट डू इट, जस्ट डू इट क्वाइटली। योर सक्सेस विल reply to all the peoples, okay? So just make sure, don't try to speak. I'm not telling never, don't try to speak, don't try to share your things with किसी के साथ शेयर मत करो, but if someone is genuinely interested in you, if genuinely someone is there for you, तो go ahead, just talk with them, just share your all things with them. If someone is there for you, if someone loves you a lot, प्लीज़ गो ऑन। बट मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ जिनके पास अपने नहीं है, जिनके अपने लोग ही बहुत ज़्यादा, समझ सकते हो मैं क्या बोलने वाला था। नहीं है तुम्हारे पास कोई शेयर करने के लिए, एंड मत करो भाई, जेन्युइनली बता रहा हूँ, बहुत मजाक बनेगा, दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, खाली फुकट दिमाग खराब होगा, हर्ट फील होगा, मत करो भाई, सिंपल सी बात है।